Wow, look at this. Look at it.
That's really spread out.
I've never seen the Murray so wide here. So that's backwater out here. The Murray's actually on this side. Yeah, on the right.
Oh.
That's the actual Murray going through there. All this out here is all backwater.
Oh, right. I think it's the other way.
I'm sure it is.
No, you're pretty right.
Yeah, well, so there's an island just there.
Yeah, like a houseboat or something.
Yeah. Oh, I could be wrong, but anyway. But looking at it, how it snakes up through that way,
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure that's the main river part, and this part over to the left, that's all just swamp.
Yeah, it looks like it's got that
Backwaters.
houseboat there.
Yeah. Wow. Oh, look at the little lizard. Someone's urn.
Yeah.
That lizard's pretty cool. How sharp is he? Well, he's sharp, all right.
Get down over there.
Oh, we can have a little bit of a look. I don't think we can go too far, but we can go just over here. Well, the last floods I actually seen was 1992,
Yeah.
but it was nothing like this. Oh no, the cliffs up here are okay. Ones down there I'll be more worried about. Oh, that's a picturesque view. See the cliffs?
You'd be able to send the drone up and
Yeah, no, I'll put the drone up. Be able to have a look at Wongulla. There's a pink shack that I used to camp next to when I was a kid. I've got to see if that's underwater. I would imagine it is underwater.
pelicans down there.
Oh yeah.
Around the tree.
Yeah, wow. That's a lot of water. And all this here's still got to come down stream. Well, it's only just peaked at Renmark. So, and it's not supposed to peak until this area, probably around the 7th of January, another couple of weeks yet.
Yeah.
That island, I'd say that might disappear.
Yeah. That house way over there.
Yeah, that house.
There's a big trouble.
But no, they're saying this flood here is equivalent to the 1931 floods.
Oh, right.
Same gigalitres, well, not the same, but close enough, same gigalitres coming down the river and levels. Yeah, but it is nature. Nildottie and all that's all right. They're built on top of a cliff.
Yeah.
That's where I would have built.
Yeah.
Yeah, somehow down on the flats I wouldn't have. Because it is, well, traditionally all swampland, floodplains. All right, well, it is windy. We'll see if we can get the drone up anyway.
I feel the weight behind my eyes, lean towards the color that lies within. Nothing between you and I. Still you right there under my skin. I've been waiting. There's no fault lines to crack and leave
Yeah, no, the caravans were there the last time, but oh, the general store, is that open?
Yeah, it looks like it.
Yeah, it looks like the police launched their boat out there for a bit. Yeah, somehow I don't think the store is open.
See how high it is up on the jetty.
Yeah, I don't think it's open. Oh, the lights are on inside.
Oh wow, that's up.
Oh, that's definitely up.
Wow.
Yeah, that's flowing through here bloody quick too.
Yeah. You can't even see the jetty.
No, it's all underwater. I don't know if they're open though.
I don't know.
Yeah, water's coming up through the drains.
Yeah.
Yeah, all the water's up at these houses here.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, well, these ones up here are okay, but the ones down further were not. Nah, they're all under. Not sure what they're doing down there, but anyway. Oh, they're doing a TikTok dance by the looks. Yeah, look at all those shacks.
Wow, they're all under.
Yeah, last time we were here, they were all dry. There was a tractor driving down
Yeah,
there, remember?
was too.
Now that's,
Oh,
they're all under now.
yeah.
Alright, we'll turn around. See if they're still doing their TikTok dance. No, they've stopped. look at it here. Tills Reserve.
Wow.
Look at that. You can almost surf on that.
Yeah.
Oh, look at the white caps out there.
Wow.
No, you can almost put a surfboard on.
Yeah.
I wouldn't want to. So that's the wind pushing against the water coming down.
Yeah, that's how fast it is, isn't it?
Yeah, wow.
Yeah, definitely wouldn't want to be out there in a canoe.
No. No, I'll give kayaking a miss today. Yeah, the playground's all underwater.
Yeah. Well, that's come up quite a bit.
Yeah, that has. Yeah, completely under. Well, I won't be playing on them anytime soon. Well, we were here 5 days ago.
Yeah.
I think it's come up a bit though.
Oh, it's all over the road.
Yeah, it's still, but it's almost covering the grass.
Yeah.
It's getting there.
Yeah. And you see the bench chairs almost
Yeah.
covered.
That's almost covered. Sure.
This way here it's come up.
Yeah. Oh well, check out the bunion.
Mm.